All right, number 3 is our Empathy Amplified. You know, when we started, our theme was Empathy Amplified, and we started a new award for someone that demonstrated empathy in a way that was really exceptional, contributing selflessly to the world around them. And I'm happy to present that this year to a woman named Dr. Rin. I'm going to invite her to the stage right now, I guess. Come on up. Hey, baby, what you gotta say? All you're giving me is fiction. I'm sorry, sucker, and this happens all the time. You don't mind coming right over here? I'm going to put this up here for you. You're going to stand right here and look beautiful. Ready? While I talk about you. We received an overwhelming number of nominees for Empathy Amplified Winner of the Year. And when I read this letter, I was struck. And the person who wrote about you clearly knows you very well. So I'm going to read you some sections of the letter, and then Dr. Rin, I'm going to turn it over to you for a few words. I'm paraphrasing. Dr. Rin is from Cambodia and works in a clinic that serves the broader community for free. My personal experience with Dr. Rin was back in October 2013, when my father had gone through an emergency due to a stroke. It was one of the worst times for me and my family. Lights radiated from her face, her words, her actions, making me feel assured that she would do her best. During these moments of uncertainty, we felt safe, and she restored hope to a place I thought it didn't exist. She understood our fears, what motivates us, made us positive and calmer than the situation itself. Her humility has always shown that in spite of her education and knowledge, she knows when she needs to refer us to someone else. I work in finance, so I know how much she gets paid. I thought that was interesting. But what I want to tell you about her is she has always been making compassion bigger than her pocket. She was one of those who was personally affected by the tragedy of Khmer Rouge regime, having lost family members, suffered difficult or traumatic childhood, and experienced severe disruption of her own education. Her contribution, however, to caring for those less fortunate has helped more than 1 million patients receive free care since 1996. With this, I ask you to award her the 2017 Empathy Amplified Award. Thank you for this opportunity. May your organization be continuously blessed as you continuously bless others. I give you Dr. Rin. Please.
A pleasant good morning to everyone. I am still in amazement. The nomination was not known to me until Cleveland sent me a congratulation email last April. The impossible become a reality is indeed God's miracle. I sincerely Mrs. Maricel Malapayo, who nominated me, and to the evaluation committee for choosing me as for your first international recipient of the 2017 Empathy Amplified Award. Today, I am greatly humbled and honored to be in front of all of you who have burning passion and unceasing interest to help out individuals raising their value around the world. Let me first introduce myself. My name is Phavarine Menh. Patients usually call me Dr. Rin. I'm come from Cambodia. a country was severely affected by the tragedy Khmer Rouge regime that made a lot of immediate family members lost their life, and those who managed to survive suffer difficult or traumatic childhood. Most of us experience severe disruption of their own education. Some of us become a refugee and were alienated to our beloved country. I was one of a few fortunate Cambodians who survived and had a good education despite these odds. I was able to study medical science, which is my most favorite field, that my passion to help people, giving my best to reduce human suffering and lighten their burden. In 1992, I graduated from my medical school in Russia, and in 1996, I got a great opportunity to work at the Sihanouk Hospital Center of Hope. This is the time of civil unrest, the time when the education and public health system had to be built again from scratch, a time when the rich were poor and the poor were even poorer, and the people had nowhere to turn in time of illness. From this beginning, the seeds of hope and compassion were sown. Then it began to grow simultaneously, expanding my knowledge, my skill, and my empathy. We were able to provide free, high-quality healthcare to Cambodia poorest. Although who had nowhere else to go, we offer hope of healing and their quality of life. Through implementing this mission, not only me, but our hospital staff are touched with our 4 core values: respect, kindness, integrity, and compassion. I'm grateful that I could contribute my knowledge, my skill, my heart to deliver these cares to the less fortunate and disadvantaged in Cambodia. And in Cambodia, there is a great number of the poor sick people and community who need free, high-quality healthcare. It is common that when something is free, it is almost always believed that high quality and healthcare is not be excellent. Yet at the Sihanouk Hospital Center of Hope, we offer our patient care with the best, with our love, respect, and compassion. This noble award is very meaningful to me, as this is a reflection of effort that I have put in together throughout my career. In this journey, number of people support me. I appreciate working every day with our doctors and staff who equally deserve this award. I thank my team for their unrelenting commitment that motivate and inspire me for over 20 years. Moreover, I will never forget to thank our management who provide the hospital with their gift, leadership, and example. Without my supportive colleagues and inspiring leader, I could not be a person I am today. Lastly, not word can express how grateful I am for the opportunity of being a doctor. It is my privilege to help treat sick people. It is an honor to let them to have a better life along their beloved families. While awards are wonderful to receive, just knowing that saving people's lives already an enough reward. I am go home every day knowing that I make a difference in changing a life, changing a family, and changing a nation, one at a time. My greatest reward is being a doctor with empathy. Again, thank you so much.
We're a rock and roll town. So in true tradition, we give you a rock and roll gift. Thank you so much for all that you do. Thank you.